Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Everyone loves Chinese sesame chicken, deep fried and crispy chicken coated with a sweet savory sauce and speckled with lots of sesame seed. Here you can probably make this homemade in about the same amount of time that it takes for the takeout guy to get to your door. Serve this up with something veggie on the side. I am serving with vegetable fried rice today. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first, in a medium-sized bowl, add your boneless chicken pieces, season it with some salt and freshly crushed black pepper. Then add some cornstarch or a corn flour, crack an egg and mix until everything is combined with the chicken. Now heat oil on 350 degrees and start dropping your chicken pieces one by one into your hot oil. And then fry until they turn very light goldenish brown color and crispy from outside. If you want to make this a healthy version, you can steam these chicken pieces instead of frying. Just substitute the whole egg with the egg white. Now it's time to make our sauce. For that, take a small sized bowl, add some soy sauce, and I'll be adding a tablespoon of water, some sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, and then I'll be grating fresh ginger. Ginger and garlic makes a lot of difference in this dish. And then add some freshly minced garlic, brown sugar, cornstarch, and then lots and lots of sesame seed. And then start mixing until everything is combined. Make sure there are no lumps of cornstarch and brown sugar. Now heat up a medium-sized skillet and transfer your sauce into that hot pan. Sauce will begin to thicken as soon as it hits the hot pan. Then transfer your fried chicken pieces into your sauce and toss them very well until chicken is completely coated with the sauce and sauce is thickened. Turn up the heat and your sesame chicken is ready. Now for vegetable fried rice, heat some oil and then add choice of your veggies. I am using pack of frozen veggies with some chopped capsicum and I season with some fresh black pepper and some salt. Now start cooking until your veggies are cooked through, but they still have that crunch. Please don't overcook your veggies. Now I cook my egg in the same pot. For that, I'm just making a space in the middle. Then I have beaten some eggs separately. I added a pinch of salt and black pepper in my beaten egg, and then I pour this egg mixture right there in the middle of the pot. I have seen a lot of recipes where they cook eggs separately for the fried rice and then add in the rice mixture. You can do that as well, but I find this step much easier, quicker, and then this way all the veggies and the whole dish will get the hint of egg. So as you can see, I'm just dragging the veggies at the side and picking up the cooked pieces like we do in scrambled egg. So all the runny egg mixture will come in the middle and it's completely cooked through. So when eggs are fully cooked, it's time to add rice. My rice are completely boiled and cold. Whenever I wanted to make the vegetable fried rice or stir fried rice, I pre-boiled my rice completely night before and then I keep them in the fridge. This way, when we stir fry them, they won't break into little small pieces. You can use sticky rice here, but I am using regular basmati rice, and then I'm seasoning them with some salt, crushed black pepper, sugar, and some soy sauce. And now it's just time to mix everything together, all the vegetables, rice, and sauces. Since our rice are cold, when everything will come together, the rice will come to the right temperature, and that's what we want. That's why I keep my rice cold. So just toss everything well, and this process won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Mix them on medium to high heat. Craving Chinese? Get a dinner that's fresher but just as fast as a takeout with this easy sesame chicken. Little bit salty, a little bit sweet, and a touch of nutty. The chicken is cooked to a golden brown finish. Just add steamed broccoli or crunchy Asian salad as a side for a well-rounded meal and dinner is served. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.